Hi friends, welcome once again. In this video, we're gonna learn some latest trending vocabularies with the help of news headlines, which I saw when I was watching news. Watching news is also good idea to get new words and new phrases. I am doing so much effort for making the videos. Please like the video, subscribe the channel for upcoming updates. Without wasting of time, jump to the topic. Tennis star Novak Djokovic abruptly disqualified from US Open. This news is from trending news of this week. The top men's tennis player in the world was disqualified by some reason. From this headline there is one word, abruptly. The meaning of abruptly in Hindi is एकाएक, अकस्मात, अचानक. Tennis star Novak Djokovic abruptly disqualified from US Open. टेनिस स्टार नोवाक जोकोविच अचानक से US Open से बाहर हो गए. Our second headline is also concerned with first one. Novak Djokovic ejected from US Open. There is one word in this headline, ejected. The meaning of ejected in Hindi is बेदखल करना, बाहर फेंकना, निकालना, बाहर कर देना. Novak Djokovic ejected from US Open. नोवाक जोकोविच को यूएस ओपन से बाहर कर दिया गया. जंप टू द नेक्स्ट वन. कमला हैरिस हिट्स आउट एट ट्रम्प, सेज ही मिनिमाइज्ड seriousness of COVID-19 outbreak. There are two words in this headline, hit out and outbreak. Hit out is a phrasal verb. The meaning of hit out in Hindi is निंदा करना, आलोचना करना. Next one is outbreak. Outbreak is a noun. The meaning of outbreak in Hindi is प्रकोप, उभार, विस्फोट, शांतिभंग. कमल हैरिस ने ट्रंप पे प्रहार करते हुए कहा कि कोविड-19 के प्रकोप को कम दर्शाया. अभिषेक बच्चन just wore gold sandals better than wife Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and we are not kidding. I took this headline from Times of India. There is one word, wore. Wore is a past participle of wear. The meaning of wore in Hindi is पहनना. अभिषेक बच्चन ने पत्नी ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन से बेहतर सोने की सैंडल पहनी और हम मजाक नहीं कर रहे हैं. 21 years student hangs self after not being able to play game. This headline is related to the PUBG. Hangs is a verb. The meaning of hangs in Hindi is लटकाना, फांसी ले लेना, लटकना. 21 साल के छात्र ने खेल न पाने की वजह से खुद को फांसी लगा दी. Fatigue and headache, most common COVID symptoms in children's study. There is one word in this headline, fatigue. Fatigue is a noun. The meaning of fatigue in Hindi is थकान, थकावट. Fatigue and headache, most common COVID symptoms in children's study. बच्चों के अध्ययन द्वारा पता चला कि उनमें कोविड के सिरदर्द और थकावट ये सामान्य लक्षण हैं. Military levels talk inconclusive. This news is related to the India-China border tension. The meaning of inconclusive in Hindi is अनिर्णायक, अधूरा, अनिर्णित. Military levels talk inconclusive means सैन्य स्तर पर की हुई चर्चा अनिर्णायक रही. Next one is from Birmingham. Stabbing incident in Birmingham. In this headline there is one word, stabbing. The meaning of stabbing in Hindi is छुरेबाजी, छुरा भोंकना. बर्मिंघम में छुरा घोंपने की घटना हुई. नेक्स्ट वन इज रिया कन्फेसेस टू कंज्यूमिंग गांजा. इन दिस हेडलाइन देर इज वन वर्ड, कन्फेसेस. द मीनिंग ऑफ कन्फेसेस इन हिंदी इज कबूल करना, स्वीकार करना, मानना. रिया कन्फेसेस टू कंज्यूमिंग गांजा. गांजा का सेवन करती थी ऐसा रिया ने कबूल किया. नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाई डज चाइना प्रोवोक्स इंडिया. This headline is also concerned with India-China border. The meaning of provokes in Hindi is उकसाना, भड़काना, चिढ़ाना. Why does China provokes India? चीन भारत को क्यों उकसाता है? Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I am waiting for your overwhelming response.